So if you look right on the screen under speed, you can see that we have data bars right there. So we want to clear the conditional formatting rules that we have there, right? So that we can apply color scales to data. So we go under, you need to clear the rules, go under conditional formatting, you scroll down, you see new rule, then you see clear rules. So there's a drop down there. So then you want to clear rules from selected cells, right? Exactly. So if the rules apply to the entire sheet, then in that case you clear the rules from the entire sheet. But in this case, it's just from selected cells. So you can see that you don't have the data bars there again. So just leave those cells selected, right? In this case, we want to apply color scales. So we go right under data bar. We don't have colors. So right under data bar, we have color scales there, right? Then you see different shades of color there. So you want to go through it to see which one better describes what you want to work with, right? So look at the color scales. So let's start with the first. So when you apply color scales, you also realize that you want to apply something that can be interpreted, right? Because what this data does it categorizes the numbers instead and represents each category with color scales, right? So you can see within the apply a color gradient to a range of cells. The color indicates where each cell value falls within that range. So let's click on this, right? So we have the color scales right there. I hope you've learned something. Do well to share this video, do well to like, do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Till the next.